In this video, we are going to understand trigonometric identities. There are three important trigonometric identities. I have listed them here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. Now let us understand how these identities are formed. Let us consider this unit circle and the angle formed by arc AP is theta. So we know that theta is equal to length of the arc by the radius of the circle. And in this case, radius is 1 unit. It can be anything, centimeters, meters, whatever it is. So theta is nothing but the length of the arc. So that's why if you notice here, the angle formed and the length AP both are marked as theta. Now we also know that the x coordinate is cos and y coordinate is sine. So basically this is cos theta comma sine theta. Now what we can do is, if we extend point P to the x-axis and mark this as M and apply the Pythagoras theorem, we get OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square. And OM is nothing but A square, because that is the point here, and PM, this is the x coordinate, and PM is the height, which is the y coordinate, which is B square. And OP being the hypotenuse, it is 1 square, which is 1. So now this can be rewritten as A square is nothing but cos theta, because it's the x coordinate. So A square will be cos square theta plus B square will be sine square theta is equal to 1. So this is how we arrive at the first identity, which is cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Now what we can do is, let us divide cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Let us divide both the sides by cos square theta. So here in the first case, it will be 1 plus tan square theta. So it will cancel out with the first value, but it will retain with the second value, correct? So this will be sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is tan square theta. And 1 by cos square theta is secant square theta. So this is how we arrive at the second identity. Now again, let us consider the identity cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Now let us divide it by sine square theta on both the sides. So cos square theta by sine square theta would become cot square theta. The sine square theta in this case would cancel. That would be equal to 1, and 1 by cosecant square theta is 1 by sine square theta is cosecant square theta. So this is how we arrive at the third identity, and these are the three identities we will be using in the future videos to solve many trigonometric functions and equations. So please take a note of this and maintain a formula sheet. Also, if you like the video, please share it with your friends so that it's helpful to others also. Thank you so much.